This project was originally created in a Project Life mini book with 2 3x4 cards and 2 4x6 cards on each page, but there was absolutely no journaling. When I completed this foundation using a 4x6 Simple Stories flip book during a recent class, I realized it would be the perfect place to include my photos from that 2013 album with some of those filler cards, but add the journaling that I felt had been missing. It also has a smaller profile and fits better on my shelf alongside my other albums, whereas that tall, skinny mini book just always felt a little bit awkward. I had fun putting this together. I did have to include some of the photos doubled up in pockets, but I feel okay with that. And one of my favorite parts of this particular year was that these are some of my best December daily photos of all time. I really took time with my camera and with my editing and composition, and I really thought about the photos. And it just kind of makes me sad that I didn't kind of give them the treatment they deserved when I first created the album. But now they have a home that's extra cute and goes with this particular season of life, and lots of personal journaling to reflect back on that year and that season. It was fun to revisit this particular holiday, and I'm happy with my decision to change it up.